Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to connect are demonstrating on my LG TV. So of course this tutorial is for the LG TVs. Alright, so first thing we're going to do guys, we're going to find the setting. So you're going to go with your remote and of course this will allow you to enjoy, especially persons with hearing disabilities. They can enjoy, every person can enjoy their own listening level. So two different Bluetooth headsets, or you could even connect a speaker and a Bluetooth headset. So we're gonna go into settings using the remote. We're gonna navigate to all settings. All right, so from here, we're gonna go down to general. And from general, we're gonna go to accessibility. And of course, the option should be here and it should say enjoy sound together Bluetooth devices. Function allows the sound to output to produce with a TV speaker and an audio device simultaneously. So people with different levels of hearing impairment can watch TV together. For Bluetooth devices, earphone, headphone types are recommended. And of course, hearing aid and transmitter is recommended for HMR, ARC devices. All right, so you get the idea. So first thing you do is you're gonna go here and you're gonna select Bluetooth. That's what I'm gonna use, Bluetooth option. And of course, from here, it's going to do its thing. So select Bluetooth. All right. So give me a second here. All right. So what might have happened was it was used before. So I'm going to say off. So it says, are you sure you want to turn off all Bluetooth connections? So I'm going to say yes. All right. So in case it's your first time coming in here, you simply go to the option for Bluetooth. But seeing that I was using it before, I'll have to start back over. So I'll turn it off for you. Go straight to Bluetooth. If you're using it before, go ahead and turn it off and then again turn it on. All right, so that has solved the problem in terms of in case it doesn't launch. So we're gonna say yes, it says it's gonna turn, it's so press yes to connect. It's gonna delete the Bluetooth from before. All right, so it's launched. All right, there we go. We're in business. So what we're gonna do here now. All right, so first of all, this is a Bluetooth speaker. This is a headphone I have. So I could use, we're gonna place these JBLs in headphone mode. Sorry, it's in pairing mode. I don't want to say headphone mode. So to do that, find your power button. Make sure it's off. You're gonna press on hold power. All right, once it boots, do not let go. Once you see the blue, count to about 10. That's it, let go. It's now pairing, it's flashing blue, similar to this one. So I'm gonna use these two to demonstrate. All right, so up here, you can see right here, we can actually search again and you can see that it sees the JBL tunes and it sees the headset. So it sees both of them, which is excellent, meaning that they are detected. Right. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select the JBL tunes. It says connecting. All right, there you go. So the JBL tunes are selected and they are working. Notice that they appear. Check this out. They have stopped blinking. Next, if you have another type of headphone as well, you could actually use those. So I'm going to hit next. And it says, I get a copyright strike, so I'm going to hit done. All right, so here you go. So it says Bluetooth device. And of course, it's now should be connected and it should be working. All right, guys, unable to allow you to hear the sound. So what's happening now is, for example, let's say I'm watching YouTube. What's going to happen here is that the sound is going to play from the TV itself and from the headphones simultaneously. So what's happening is that I'm able to, let's say a person is here hearing impaired, you can enjoy your personal volume while you're watching, and the person that's listening can also listen and enjoy at their own volume. So it basically can connect this earphone and the TV. So the TV speakers are playing while the headphones are connected, which is not normally what would happen. Likewise, guys, I could have also connected this Bluetooth speakers, and what could happen is that this Bluetooth speaker will still produce some amount of sound along with, and it's just shutting down with the TV here. Or I could use these along with the TV. So it doesn't actually use or give you two Bluetooths at the same time, but of course it does allow you to accompany with another sound. So I hope that was clear, and see you in the next one, guys.